Okay, awesome. So, hi, this is my demo for my web app called Claros. So, essentially what it is that it's a voice-enabled AI agent that is primarily for students with typing difficulties. So, its primary use case is to go through an uploaded document, work through, the problems with you in real time, and then it helps you write the final answer only after, the student has figured it out. So I'm just gonna, quickly show you the workflow and you see how it works. Um, right now we have the app on full display. It is currently deployed, and we are gonna either upload an assignment PDF or use the test PDF. In this case, we just click use test PDF and you can see all the questions have come up. We have 5 questions in total. We're going to start with question one. So I'm just going to click start session and you'll see the voice agent work pretty soon. Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. What question would you like to work on today?
Awesome. Let's start with question one.
Sounds good. Question 1 is 3x plus 7 equals 22. What's the first step you take to solve for x?
Let's say I would subtract 7 from both sides. I think that'll give me 3x equal to 22 minus 7.
That's correct. What does that simplify to?
That should be 3x equal to 15, right?
Right. And what's the final step to solve for x?
Divide both sides by 3.
Exactly. What does x equal?
That should be 5.
That's the right answer. Should I write that down for question 1?
Yes, write down the answer, please.
Let me write that for question 1.
So as you can see, question one has been fully solved and written down. So I'm gonna try to kind of ask it for the answer without fully walking through the question for question two, and we'll see what it does. Hi, let's move on to question two.
Sure. Question 2 is solving for x. How would you start by isolating the term with x?
What's the answer?
What do you think so far?
Is the answer 10?
To solve for x, what's the first step to get rid of the minus 5?
Just give me the answer.
We need to work through it. How can you
Are you going to give me the answer or not?
I can help you find the answer. Try adding 5 to both sides of the equation.
As you can see, you can't just ask it to give you the answer. It's gonna try to work with you through it, and it's gonna suggest, what step you need to take to actually get to your answer. So let's say you actually want to like export your PDF when you're done. You could just click the export PDF button, and you should see something pop up. You could just save and then you'll be able to see your questions and your answers on full display as well. So you can see this the question one answer that we actually wrote initially. So now you have all your questions and your answers that you can then, submit however you want to. So essentially, this is how the app works. So yeah.